In this video you will take a look at the spleen. This slide is stained with Azan. This is a special staining method to visualize collagen fibers. The collagen fibers, it's a blue. Erythrocyte is a dark red. So the spleen is surrounded by fibrous capsule on the surface. Here you can see a fibrous capsule. It's blue because contains a lot of collagen fibers. And in the inner of a spleen you can find a fibrous trabecule. That fibrous trabeculae arise from the fibrous capsule and penetrated to the parenchyma of spleen. The fibrous trabeculae contains blood vessels, arteries and veins. Here you can find blood vessels in the fibrous trabeculae. Here this is the fibrous trabeculae with blood vessels. The branches of trabecular artery leave the trabecula and enter to the white pulp of spleen. This is the lymphatic follicles from the white pulp. This is another lymphatic follicles or Malpighi bodies of spleen, which formed a white pulp of spleen. So the summary of the lymphatic follicles. It's a white pulp of spleen. For example, here in this staining method, it's a white pulp paler than red pulp. Red pulp, it's a between the lymphatic follicles, between the islands of white pulp of spleen. So this is the white pulp, and between the white pulp you can find a red pulp of spleen. So the white pulp or lymphatic follicles contains a central artery. It's an eccentric located artery in the Malpighian body. So and the branches of central artery penetrate and continues to the red pulp, and in the red pulp the blood has two options: continues to the venous sinuses in the red pulp, or enter to the open system of splenic cords, or called Biarrod cords. So in the red pulp the blood has two options: continue to the venous sinuses, or enter to the splenic cords and return to the venous sinuses. So in the red pulp you can recognize venous sinuses with full of erythrocytes. For example, here it's a venous sinuses, a dilated sinuses full of erythrocytes, or bluish splenic cords contains lymphatics, macrophages, lymphocytes, macrophages, um, or reticular cells. So this is the venous sinuses, and between the venous sinuses you can find a splenic cords. So, and here it's a lot of for the spleen. The surface of spleen is covered by fibrous capsule. The fibrous trabeculae arise from the fibrous capsule, penetrate to the parenchyma of spleen, and the trabeculae contain blood vessels. The artery leave the trabecula and enters to the white pulp. The white pulp is formed Malpighian body or lymphatic follicles with central artery, and between the white pulp you can find a red pulp which contains venous sinuses or splenic cords. This is the venous sinuses and splenic cord in to the red pulp. Here it's all to the